Good day. Take a fresh look at trading. Forget about losses. Now in front of you on the screen is a message from my subscriber who values his time and money. He got great results with minimal investment because he implemented artificial intelligence in his work. This is the FixProfit robot, which quickly produces highly accurate forecasts and detailed reports on 12 indicators. Get the bot for free, friends. The link is in the description. Hurry up, because in a month you will only be able to pick it up for a fee. Don't miss new informative videos, subscribe to the channel and click the bell. Put likes and write comments. We're getting started. I want to make the first trade on the dollar, Swiss franc currency pair. Time frame 5 minutes. Within seconds, the neural network analyzes the situation and issues a signal. Okay, active sold. I see 9 red indicators. Yes, the bot can see that the selling potential is increasing. I enter each trade clearly according to the recommendations from FixProfit. The periodicity of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. I see that in the past 40 minutes, price has been declining within the corridor and the bears have been really good at saturating the market, which is evident in the tick volume histogram. I think the trend will not reverse in the next 5 minutes. The bears have potential that can still be realized. Guys, I've accelerated the price movement. This is done for your convenience, for the convenience of watching this video. Get the bot for free if you haven't already done so. Also by the link in the description you will get access to VIP chat with signals and market analytics from me. Also you will get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. Let's set the record straight. Trading is not about being right all the time. It's about managing your risk, managing your emotions, and managing the long game. You can have the perfect strategy, a genius level setup, or insider level news. But if your money management is trash, your account won't survive long enough to see success. So let's talk discipline. Only risk 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Period. That's not a suggestion. It's the oxygen mask of your trading system. Got $100? Your trade is $1. Profit? 80 cents. Got $1,000? Now you trade $10. Profit? $8. At $10,000, you place $100 trades. Profit? $80. Same logic, same risk. More capital equals more income, without more danger. That's why I always say, fund your account to the maximum you can afford, responsibly. Not to throw bigger trades, but to grow through structure. Now, let's talk about the thing eating you alive, losing trades. You're doing your research, you're following your setup, but the market says, nope. And your confidence? Gone. Your belief? Shaky. Your next move? Uncertain. Here's the deal. Losing doesn't mean you're bad at trading. It means you're becoming a trader. You don't learn to fight by reading a book about boxing. You learn when you get punched, reset your stance, and come back swinging. That's what trading is. Remember The Dark Knight Rises? Bruce Wayne is broken. He's stuck in a prison pit, watching others try and fail to escape. Then he climbs, without a rope, all in, no safety net. And that's what it takes in trading sometimes. You've got to commit, no half measures, no maybe next week, you climb. I got a plus. Yes, the first trade closed successfully, because the robot assistant does not let me down. That's great. Now I want to make a trade on another currency pair for a change. The British pound and the Japanese yen. 5 minutes. Active buying is the new recommendation from FixProfit. 8 indicators suggest bullish dominance. Friends, this bot is a tool with which you will really start to earn. Its signals are 80% on average. Look at the channel with reviews, how much people earn, the link in the description. I see that the bulls have powerfully saturated the market with volume just recently. The price has surged upwards. I think the price will push back from the support zone, pull back a bit, and then rise a bit more. Attention, we are running a massive contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests, there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck! You think the best traders never lost? Warren Buffett watched his portfolio bleed during multiple crashes. George Soros took billion-dollar risks and lost before he won. Even modern trader creators like Humbled Trader or The Trading Channel, they've posted their failures online. Loudly, because failure isn't a flaw, it's a filter. It separates those chasing dopamine from those building skill. You want the real edge? It's not indicators. It's not some holy grail strategy. It's emotional resilience. It's being able to lose and still show up tomorrow with the same precision. You're not here to win every trade. You're here to follow your plan, protect your capital, and let the odds play out. Because in the long game, that's what prints results. Not luck, not hype, discipline. So if you're losing right now, if nothing's clicking, if your journal is full of red, that's okay. You're not broken. You're not too late. You're just in the middle of your story. And the middle always feels messy. But the traders who win, they stay in the game. They go from broken setups to bulletproof systems, from shaken confidence to unshakable clarity, from hoping to hit to knowing how to execute. So take the hit, take the lesson, then take your next trade, with structure, with patience, and with that fire in your chest that says, "I'm not here to quit. I'm here to master this." So, I closed the trade in the plus side again. 2 accurate signals from the robot brought me $1,771. Get the bot for free at the link in the description, friends. Bye.